Have you ever wondered what a potential conflict between Iran and Israel could mean for the world? It's a question that has been looming in the minds of many as tensions between these nations continue to rise. In the beginning, the immediate impact would be felt in the global economy. Both Iran and Israel are significant players in the oil market. Any disruption to oil production or transportation could lead to a sudden surge in oil prices, sending shockwaves through economies around the globe. As the conflict progresses, the humanitarian crisis would come to the fore. Civilians would be displaced, and a potential refugee crisis could unfold, straining resources and stability in neighboring countries. Human suffering would be immense, and the world would be faced with the daunting task of providing humanitarian aid to the affected people. Midway through the conflict, the international community would begin to feel the ripple effects. Countries would be forced to take sides based on their interests, leading to diplomatic tensions and potentially reshaping alliances in the region. The world map could look very different by the end of it all. As we move towards the later stages of the conflict, security threats would likely escalate. Extremist groups may seize the opportunity to exploit the situation, leading to increased terrorism and security risks, not just in the region, but globally. The shadow of nuclear concerns would also loom large over the conflict. Iran's nuclear program and Israel's stance on preventing a nuclear-armed Iran could heighten international scrutiny and fears of nuclear proliferation. In the aftermath, it becomes clear that efforts to de-escalate tensions and find diplomatic solutions are crucial to avoiding these potential impacts. The international community needs to rally together to promote peace and stability in the Middle East. So, as we ponder on the potential impacts of a conflict between Iran and Israel, it's important for everyone to stay informed and involved. Promote peace in your own way. Share this information with others. Subscribe for more insights into global issues, because every voice matters in the quest for a more peaceful world.